Hello, my name is Nathan Leahy, the Field Service and Sales Engineer for Weldability SIF, responsible for the building, testing and repair of our welding units, welding fume extraction units and our air monitoring device, the ProtectoScan EDI. What I'm going to go through with you today is our wide range of high volume downdraft extraction units. These start off as your entry level mobile units that can extract welding fume and grinding dust, all the way up to custom made to order units that are heavy duty in design and can extract a wide variety of dusts. First up, we've got our highly cost-effective entry-level unit, which is the Protecto Extract Top. This has W3 rated disposable filters, meaning it can not just extract steel grinding dust, but can also extract those typical welding fumes, MIG, TIG and MMA, and keep you W3 compliant at the same time. This unit can be used to extract aluminium dust, but the unit will need to be grounded, and you need to ensure that you're not mixing metals that will cause a higher risk of fire. This is ideal for your light welding and grinding users seeking that LEV conformity at a low price with that key W3 rating for your welding fume extraction. Next up, we've got the Protecto Bench, which is a heavy-duty design unit that comes in a wide range of sizes. This particular unit can be fitted with clamps and vices thanks to its slot design, and it can be paired with any suitable extraction system, be it one of our mobile units or fixed extraction units, or it could even be paired with an existing extraction system you have on site. Again, this unit can be used to extract MIG, TIG and MMA dust at low-level applications, and of course can be used to extract steel grinding dust. This can also be used to extract aluminium dust, provided the unit is grounded and of course those metals aren't mixed. This is perfect for your heavy usage users needing a clamp and vice access, and it can be easily paired with any other existing extraction. Next up, we've got the Protecto Bench Advanced, which again is a heavy duty design unit, but this one's quite unique in that it has a fully enclosed fan and filter section inside the unit, so there's no need to pair it with any other extraction. Inside the unit you've got HEPA 13 rated filters, which means that this unit can extract both MIG, TIG and MMA welding dust, but it can also extract steel grinding dust as well. You can also use this unit to extract aluminium dust, again provided it's grounded and the metals are not mixed. So this is perfect for heavy usage users needing mixed extraction systems all in one place, but also wanting a unit that's got particularly easy maintenance. Next up, we've got our wet collector, which again is a very heavy duty built design. This is also a fully enclosed fan unit, but it has a watertight filter inside. This does have automatic water level adjustment provided the unit is plumbed into a water supply, and this unit is solely designed for those explosive and flammable dusts, so it completely eliminates the risk of fire from those, and again it can be used to extract pretty much any kind of dust. So this is ideal for your heavy usage grinding users needing that specific system to extract particularly dangerous, flammable, volatile or explosive dusts. Next up, we've got the Grinding Bench, which is a heavy duty design unit that can again be paired with any suitable extraction system. These come in a wide range of sizes, and it can extract MIG, TIG and MMA fume as well as steel dust. This unit can also extract aluminium dust, again provided it's grounded and obviously not being mixed with any other metals. So again, perfect for ideal heavy usage users, and is easily paired with any existing extraction fan or any of our other extraction units that we offer. Next up, we've got the Welding Bench, which is a heavy duty design unit. This can be paired with any suitable extraction system that we sell as well as anything else on site. Comes in a wide range of sizes for your different welding applications, and extracts MIG, TIG, MMA and grinding fume. So this is ideal for a heavy usage user that needs to pair something with the existing extraction fan, but also isn't sort of feasibly able to get their at-source extraction using a mobile hood, and instead needs a bench to extract from a wider area. If you'd like to look at any of our other systems, you can see our high vacuum mobile, high volume mobile and high volume fixed extraction videos, or have a look at our video on how to choose the right piece of fume extraction for you.